Hello guys, if you are tired of running out of FC FIFA 24 points or coins, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to get unlimited points. Whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or console, these methods will work for everyone. So let's start getting them. First, we will go to this website, appxfree.com. This is the tool that we are using to claim the points. So, we will type our game username, as you see on my game. Then we'll select a device. For me, I will select an Android. After that, click Connect. Now it says to choose the amount we want. I will select 2,200 points. Then the coins, here I will select 100,000, you can choose any pack. So it says that we have to unlock our items manually, so click Unlock Now. So it seems that my points and coins have been unlocked. I will open the game and check them. This is the exact amount that we chose earlier, and I can spend it without problems. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share it with your friends. That's it for this video. Bye!